Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions. Have you heard that old adage, begin with the end in mind? That's what we're going to do in getting your photos and other memorabilia organized and preserved. So often you aren't sure where to start, but by asking yourself a few questions, they can help evaluate what your ultimate goals are. So first, why do you want to do this project now? Second, who are you doing this for? Is this a legacy project to pass down your photo collection to your family? Is it for a specific event? Or is it a personal project? 3. What would you like the completed collection to consist of? Do you want all your print and digital images organized? Do you want a digital-only collection? Do you need print material converted to digital, or audio and video material transferred to new formats so that you can actually access them? Do you need physical items documented and then stored safely? Maybe photo books, albums, or prints. Whatever it is you want in the collection. 4. By when? Do you have a timeline, or do you have a deadline by when things have to be done? Do you also have a plan for who will be responsible for maintaining the collection, both now and in the future? And then finally, 5, if you could wave a magic wand and your collection was completely organized and preserved, what would you want to see? So once you have a clear idea of what your goals are, you're ready to create a plan to get started. During week 1 of Save Your Photos Month, we're focusing on why your legacy matters and how to get started. So make sure you sign up for free at saveyourphotos.org. There are 7 mini classes available this week, including 1 in Spanish and 1 in Dutch. If you feel like you'd like some more local assistance with this, visit pro.thephotomanagers.com for a directory to locate a certified professional photo manager near you. If you have questions, put them in the comments below so I can help you get started using your photos to tell your stories so that they can last for generations.